Hey guys, if you're watching me braid a client's natural hair, yeah, you're watching me. You see this part of our job, and it's like dislike it, but what to do now? I gotta satisfy my customer. So guys, you can see I was using style to show you guys the product I applied on our hair, the almighty shine and jam. Although I did not use much on our hair, if you watch it, yeah, I was complementing it with the normal hair cream, and it's still it. So the name of this hairstyle that I'm making now is called Shuku. Yeah, I didn't add any attachment to it, it's just Shuku with her natural hair. That style where you have to like divide the hair into. I loved how my client's hair felt so soft and fluffy. It was very, very easy for me to braid it. This part I was trying to achieve the scissors. Divide the two hair you want to braid, then make sure the lines are straight. Then you pick one and cut it into two, pick the other one and cut it into two. Then you start from either the left hand side or the right hand side at the top. Then you start braiding and you merge it with the other one at the right. I don't know if I'm making sense here. So just watch how I just did it, then you'll be able to get it right. And make sure you're careful because the hair might try to get into the way. So what you have to do is to just like use a rubber band or a hair clip to clip one side down so that the hair will get into the way and make mistake. Do you understand? So after I was done with this part, I proceeded to this second side. My client was busy enjoying her sleep because my hand doesn't pain at all. So I was done with this other part. You can look at how very fine and neat it is. Yeah, let's proceed to the other side. My cameraman was just zooming in on the hair and zooming out on the hair. So this is the last part of the hair. We are almost done. I like the way this back hair just look very slick and fine. Please film the hair. Film and wear. I like the way the hair just came out at the back. For your appointment, don't worry, you won't regret it. Yeah, please like my videos and subscribe.